Hello, fifth graders. Welcome back to math. Okay, we're back to the notebooks now because this will just be easier to write. So go ahead and press pause and write this down. Okay, we've been talking about decimals, and today we're going to talk about rounding them. In your video yesterday, the guy talked about rounding to the whole number and actually to the other places beyond the decimal point. But today we're going to talk about rounding to the whole number. So if you take a look here at number 1, it says round to the whole number, and then you're going to solve the problem. So remember, the whole number is the number before the decimal. So this one would be 9, and this one would be number 7. And we're going to use the rule that he gave you yesterday. So look next door. So you're going to look next door. And then 5 or more, raise the score. That means to raise it up. 4 or less, let it rest. That means keep it the same. So according to that rule, we look at the number 2. Oh, my pen doesn't want to work there. So 2 is less than 4, so that means it stays the same. So our number is going to be just 9. Over here, we're looking at 7. Look next door. The number is 5, and then according to the rule, 5 or more, raise the score. So we're going to raise 7 to 8. And then bring our subtraction sign down. 9 minus 8 equals 1. So that is your answer, 1. Now let's go to the next one. Remember, we are rounding to the whole number, and the whole number is the number right in front of the decimal point. So 2, 1, and 8. So now let's follow the rule. Look next door. Number is 2. So according to the rule, 2 is less than 4. So that means that this 2 stays the same. Again, over here, look next door. Again, it's a 2, and we know that if it's a 2, it stays the same. So this stays a number 1. Over here, 8. Look next door. The number is 7, and according to the rule, 5 or more, and 7 is 5 or more, you raise the score. So that means we need to raise this number 8, 1. So now it is a 9. Now bring down our symbols here, our addition symbols. So 2 plus 1, that's 3, plus 9 is 12. So this equals 12. Or an easier would be just 9 plus 1. We know that's 10 plus 2 is 12. So our answer is 12. All right, remember we're rounding to the whole number. So we're rounding the number 8, and we're going to round the number 5. So let's follow the rule. Look next door. 5 or more, raise the score, and that is more than a 5. So we need to raise the 8 to a number 9. Bring down our addition. And then this one, 5. Let's follow the rule. Look next door. 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. It's less than 4, so this number stays a 5. So 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equals 14. And for our last one. So our number is 10 and 6. So let's follow the rule. Look next door. If this is 5 or more, raise the score. So 10, one more would be 11. Minus, okay, we're looking at 6. Look next door. 5 or more, raise the score. And this is more than 5. That means we have to add 1 to the 6, which would be 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And that's your answer. So you're going to do problems just like this in IXL. You're going to be working on letter H, number 8. And use your notebook. They're going to give you problems in there. Use your notebook just like I did. Write down the problems, use the rule, and then figure out your answers. So today, that's what you're going to be doing, rounding your numbers to the nearest whole number. If you have questions, please give me a call. Bye.